This is me, out on the open road, on my way towards another adventure. Just me, my rolling suitcase in the back of the car, and a backpack containing my laptop and drone. 2 days of freedom and doing whatever I want, wherever I want to go. And oh yeah, spring has arrived. The days are longer, containing more light, and the nature finally coming back to life. Last weekend, I went on another drone trip to the heavy industrialized German Ruhr area. Capturing Microstock footage. Investing and growing my online portfolio, with each video getting closer to becoming financially independent. German Ruhr area is a densely populated area, home to about 5.3 million inhabitants. Here you can find heavy industry like mining, chemical industry parks, major rivers, energy industry, and 11 major cities, almost grown together. Cities like Duisburg, Essen, Dortmund, Gelsenkirchen, Oberhausen. Also close in the province, there are the major cities like Düsseldorf and Cologne. Perfect for droning. Location 1 is a waste incineration plant called Asdonkhof, just over the Dutch border in Germany. I fly the DJI Mavic 3. After that, I found a relatively small chemical park nearby. Taking pictures, videos from different angles, and time to land again. We found another cool place. Looks interesting, nice and quiet, and they have a big cooling tower. So I'm gonna get the drone out and film here as well. Oeh, dat was een neer mis, man. Oh, I'm so lucky. Okay, I think I have a cool idea. Let's go and fly through the smoke. Do like a revealing thing, and then we do it in sport mode, so the collision detection is off. And now
of a risk. Woohoo! Wow, that's cool, man.
After this exciting successful flight, where I almost crashed, some people will say I will call it a day. It's getting windy, captured some nice footage, and I still have my drone in one piece. Let's leave it like this. If I learned something from experience in Microstock and travel, is that persistence is key, because if you're persistent, you will be rewarded on the long run. It was time to give it a final push. One more battery, one more flight, one more location. And after all, it was worth it.